Hello everyone, this is Rick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the titles and a text in iMovie. iMovie is free to use on Mac. Now let's just get started. To start with, go to the file and the top and then choose import video to add the video to the timeline of the iMovie. For example, we just drag and then drag the video to the timeline. To enter titles or text in iMovie, just find the titles option, and then you could find there are varieties of titles and text. Just to choose your favorite styles. Some titles are perfect for introduction, while others could be put at the bottom of the screen. For example, we could choose this one. Just drag the title to the timeline. To enter titles or text in iMovie, just double-click the title. After that, you could enter the words or titles. For example, we just enter some text like Hello Sunday. Besides, you have the option to change the fonts of the titles, then change the size or position, as well as change the colors of the titles. So that's about how to enter titles or text in iMovie. It's very simple.